Hello guys, so today we are going to take a look Gulf G test route number 2. Okay, so from here so we all park the cars from here, and let's suppose the examiner is sit with you, and he is gonna ask you make a right turn from the starting point. So can you see over here the red arrow? This is the starting point. So we are going out of the plaza, we are making a right turn, we are going out of the plaza, and examiner is going to ask you make a left turn from the Silver Creek Parkway. So what is going to do? We have to stop over here, then look both side traffic, then we will make a left turn from the Silver Creek. So you guys start from here, and then there is a traffic light over here. So there is a traffic light. Make sure guys, whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane, then go to the right, most right lane over here, and then if it is a red light, please stop, make a full stop, check 3 times left, right, left, then make a right turn. Okay, so examiner is going to ask you make a right turn, and the speed limit is 60 over here, 60 km per hour, and then you're going straight, and you're going straight. So this is a first traffic lights over here. So examiner is not gonna, most of the time they are taking you from the route number 2. So they are not going to ask you route number, like they are not going to ask you make a left turn from here. So you're going straight. And after this intersection, you crossing the intersection, examiner is gonna ask you lane change to the left. So you're going in the right lane. So make sure you give the signal and come to the lane change to the left over here, right? And then you're going, and then examiner is going to ask you make a left turn from the Royal Road over here. Sometime they ask Imperial Road, but most of the time they ask you from Royal Road. So because over here there is no speed sign, physically over there is no speed sign. So make sure there is, if you don't see any speed sign, it's a 50. So 50 km per hour, as you can see over here. And then there is a 2 yellow line over here. There is a yellow line for the left turn or right turn. There is a yellow turning lanes. So make sure guys, there is a separate kind of, there is a 2 yellow lines. You have to go in that lane. Then you make a turn from here. Okay. And then you make a turn from here, or from here, examiner is going to ask you, keep going straight. So it's a 50. Make sure there is a 2 railway crossing over here. So make sure guys, check left, right on the railway crossing, both sides. And there is a 2 railway crossing for going for the test, and 2 railway crossing for the when you're coming back. So examiner is going to ask you left turn from this traffic lights. Doesn't matter, he's going to ask you here or here, it's the same thing. So make sure stop on the red light if you have a red light. So make sure never make a right or left turn on the yellow light. Please, never make a left or right turn on yellow light. Make sure guys, my handwriting is little. So make sure you make a left turn from here. Now there is a 60 speed limit over here, 60 km per hour. There is a Speedway Avenue. There is a 60 km per hour over here. And then examiner is gonna going straight, and then examiner is gonna ask you make a right turn from the traffic lights. So make sure guys, this is a 70 km. This is a highway for you. This is a highway. So you're going, and whenever you're making a right turn, this is a separate lane for you. So please take it easy. Do not stop for this traffic. Traffic is going parallel with you. Do not stop for them. Make sure you merge it on 70. Don't merge it on 67 or 68. Merge it on 70 km per hour. You can go up to 72. That's fine. And then merge it. So make sure guys, there is a separate lane for you. While merging, you cannot stop in the middle of the road. Please, it's humble request. You cannot stop in the middle of the road. If you have a traffic, don't worry about the speed. You can merge it, no problem. And then the examiner is going to ask you go straight, and from the traffic lights, from the Willow Road, from here, examiner is going to ask you make a right turn from here. And do you have a yield sign over here? Yield sign. Other traffic has a right of way. So if nobody is coming from here, so make sure guys you can give the signal and then go into the lane. And right away examiner is going to ask you make a right turn from here. So it's a 40 km per hour. You can see over here 40 km per hour, and this is a residential area. So you're going, make sure every intersection you have to check left right, every street you have to check left right. Make sure keep going straight, follow the examiner instructions. This is an information video. You know that examiner can change the route anytime, but this is a route, it's been so long, it's been more than a year they are taking this same route. So please going straight, and you have a stop sign over here. Over here you have a stop sign. Examiner is going to ask you make a right turn from the upcoming street, make a right turn from the stop sign. So make a full stop. This is a normal stop. Normal stop only for you. Okay. So stop over here. Make sure you stop for 3 seconds. Left, right, left. Then go a little bit forward, come forward, and then look for the traffic from here. If nobody is coming, make sure guys, there is a 2 lanes are coming. I don't want any car, any lane. So make sure it's all clear. There is no car should be in that lane coming. So please clear all the way and then make a right turn. Again, whenever you're making a right turn, examiner is gonna taking you make a right turn from the traffic light again. They are going to take you from to the highway again. 70 km/h. Again same. This is a merging no yield sign. This is a separate lane. Please do not stop for anyone. It's a humble request. Do not stop for anyone. And then please speed up to 70 if you don't have a traffic. If you have a traffic, don't worry about the speed. It's a humble request. I'm saying again, if you don't have a traffic, please follow the speed. If you have a traffic, follow the traffic. Then merge it. Examiner is going to ask you make a left turn from these traffic lights. So over here you have a separate signal for the left turn over here. So you are waiting on the separate lane, left turning lane. Then now what you have to watch, there is a separate signal over here for you, and there is a number going on over here like pedestrian numbers 39, 38, 37 like that. So there is a 2 numbers, there is a 2 pedestrian numbers over here. So make sure you are making a left turn, watch the left turn numbers. Don't watch this numbers. This number will make you confused. Watch this number. When this number is going 3, 2, 1 means this traffic is going to have a yellow red light. So in that way you should know when your light is getting green, when you're going to have a green light for the left turn. Okay. So when the number is gone, make sure be ready. Your light is going to be very soon, like in 1-2 seconds. So make a left turn very easily. Okay. Make a left turn. Then examiner will ask you make a left turn again from the traffic light. So this is a Willow Road and this is a Silver Creek Parkway. Okay. So make a left turn here. This is a 50 and Silver Creek also a 50. Okay. So make sure guys, whenever you are making any turn, there is a speed sign given you over there. Please follow that. Do not ignore the speed signs. Okay. And one more thing, whenever you are going straight, please do not try to speed up your car. Do not try to speed up like we are doing on the highway. This is not a highway, 40-50 speed. It goes automatically. Your body language will go automatically to the 50. Don't try to press the gas pedal, otherwise speed will go up. I know. I hope you understand my point. So please go. There is a traffic light. Check left, right. Please go. And examiner is going to ask you make a right turn from here. He can take you from here, but most of the time they are asking you make a right turn from the Speedway Avenue. Whenever you make a right turn, please keep it in the right lane. There is a 60 km/h, and then examiner is going to ask you, you're coming straight, examiner is going to ask you make a left turn from the upcoming traffic light Dawson Road. So make sure you make a left turn from the Dawson Road, and please again make sure you should know when you are having a yellow light. Please, how you would know? Watch those pedestrian numbers. If you don't watch that pedestrian numbers, you can lose your license because light will get yellow and you guys will get confused whether you should stop or whether you should go. So if you watch the numbers, you will have an idea. Make sure guys, make a planning. If you don't make a plan, it's gonna be a problem. So make sure make a left turn from here, from the Dawson Road. There is a railway crossing over here. It's a 50. Do not leave your gas pedal before. I am telling again, please do not leave your gas pedal before. If you want, even I would say, please continue with your speed. Don't worry about the hump and bump. Take it easy, keep it 50. Go 45, 50, that's fine. Okay? And then you're going straight, and examiner is going to ask you, make a left turn from the upcoming traffic lights, Wood Lawn Road. So make sure you keep it like that, and then make a left turn. Whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane. Make sure guys, over here is a Woodland Road, is a 60. So make sure, keep it 60. Make sure you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane, go 50 and then come to the right. So examiner is going to ask you, make a right turn from the Arrow Road. This is your Arrow Road, and then make a right turn, and then your test is going to finish over here. Examiner is not going to ask you do the parking on this side. This side is always this is a starting point. Ending side, there is a parking spot over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. He's going to ask you do it over here. So make sure there is no parking in the G test. Always remember, in the G2 they will ask you for the parking, but in G they will not ask you with any parkings. And don't worry about those parkings. They don't have any numbers. Okay, so make sure, keep it like that, and please follow this video. This is a route number 2. Okay, I'm gonna write it over here, route number 2. So this is a route number 2 guys. This is a map. This is a exactly map I draw it for you. Please keep it like that. Follow this map. You will get your license in first attempt. This is a very, very helpful for you. Please watch that and follow my YouTube channel for next upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, any questions, please do the comment, or you can call me 647-550-2907. My name is Rishabh Gandhi. Please call me anytime, even in the night, no problem. Take it easy guys. I am really happy to help you. Please call me anytime. Thank you so much. Have a good one.